around to see this cool and fun and easy lazy Sunday craft that I have for you guys this week on episode 4. And guess what? Here's a hint. It has to do with Mother's Day. You won't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful What a wonderful world.
Hey creatives, welcome back to my channel. It is Cheryl, the activity author, here to give you another really cool mystery lazy Sunday craft. So just know that everything you're gonna need is in the description box below, so don't worry about writing anything down. Let's go ahead and start with our plate. And guys, for this we're going to paint either, which one you have, a small cup like a mouthwash cup or a paper towel roll. So you're gonna go ahead and paint that completely like we're doing here. Now, I don't want to give it all away, but just know that this is a great craft that mothers can do with their children, and that's what we're doing today. We got a little mother-daughter crafting time, so try it, So when you finish painting your paper towel roll or your cup, whatever you decide, then you're gonna go ahead and get your paint. If you need to refresh your paint or add more paint, do that, because we're gonna do a handprint now. I'm going to do a marbleized kind of look, so I'm mixing some colors together and swirling it and just kind of making it look really marble. You don't have to do this. I'm just deciding to do it because I thought it would look cool. So to each his own. And anytime I do handprint art, I always have some wipes handy, so go ahead and have those handy. Dip your child's hand in the paint and then make sure, well, I'm going to do 3, so I'm going to do it 2 more times and then wipe it off with the wipe when you're done. We're just gonna let that dry, and for the next part you can use some yarn or some pipe cleaners. We're gonna go ahead and make the stem. Have y'all guessed it yet? Yes, we are making flowers. Ding ding ding, in a very creative way, I might add. So you can do this step, but before I go on, I'm gonna make sure y'all know that y'all love this video, so like it, and then go ahead to that subscribe button, subscribe to my wonderful creative army, and hit that notification bell so you know every time that I post. If your child is of age, they could do this part by themselves, but I have a 3-year-old, so I had to do it by my lonesome. But my hopes is that your child could actually do this. It's actually really good for motor skills as well. And the last step is getting that paper towel roll or that cup that you guys painted. You're going to go ahead and cut it in half and then glue it on, and that'll be our flower pot. How creative, right? See? Easy and efficient, and it's perfect for lazy Sunday. You guys can do this in about, I guess minus the drying time. This is like a 5-minute craft for sure. It could even double as a Mother's Day card. So kids, if you're hearing this can be a great way for you to make a Mother's Day card for your mom. If you are deciding to use a paper towel roll because you don't have a small mouthwash cup, that's fine. Just go ahead, just as much as you need. I'm measuring mine off right now, and I'm going to cut that much. And that's how it would look if I use this. But I'm deciding to use the cup, so I just wanted to show y'all what it would look like, okay? Honestly, not bad, and it kind of gives the same effect. So it's up to you guys. But that is it. So go ahead and give your paper a title. On the fridge to remind mom how much you love her, how much you are her little seedling. Just give it to all the mommies out there, or you can put it on doors. Wherever you guys want to put it in your house, you be creative. Make it a card, you name it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this craft, guess what? I got other lazy Sunday crafts as well. So go check out that whole playlist. And I will see you guys back here for some more Mother's Day ideas and crafts that you can do today. All right, so stay tuned, and I'll see you back on my next video.